Ultra-slim monitors, combining style with functionality. Ultra-slim monitors, combining style with functionality. In our increasingly digital world, monitors have evolved to become not just tools for viewing content, but also style statements. Gone are the days of bulky monitors that take up excessive space on desks. The rise of ultra-slim monitors has brought a new level of elegance and functionality to our computing experiences. These sleek and slim devices seamlessly blend style and performance, making them a perfect fit for both professional and personal use. One of the most noticeable advantages of ultra-slim monitors is their space-saving design. With their slim profiles and minimal bezel construction, these monitors take up significantly less desk space compared to their bulkier counterparts. This is especially beneficial for those who often find themselves working in small or crowded environments, where every inch of space matters. The compact design of ultra-slim monitors allows for a clutter-free workspace, creating a more organized and visually appealing setup. Beyond saving space, ultra-slim monitors also offer enhanced portability. Their slim and lightweight construction makes them easy to carry around, making them ideal for professionals who frequently travel for work. Whether you need to give presentations or work on the go, these monitors provide the flexibility to set up your workspace wherever you are. Additionally, their thin profiles make them perfect for multi-monitor setups, enabling users to increase productivity by expanding their screen real estate without sacrificing style. One of the key features that sets ultra-slim monitors apart is their display quality. Despite their slim form factor, these monitors often boast high-resolution displays that deliver crisp and vibrant visuals. Whether you are editing photos, watching videos, or simply browsing the web, the sharpness and clarity of the images make for an immersive viewing experience. Another area where ultra-slim monitors excel is in their connectivity options. These monitors come equipped with a wide array of ports, allowing users to connect to a variety of devices effortlessly. From HDMI and DisplayPort inputs to USB hubs and audio jacks, these monitors provide the flexibility to connect to laptops, gaming consoles, and other peripherals seamlessly. This versatility ensures that users can make the most out of their monitor's capabilities, creating a truly integrated and convenient computing experience. With the rise of remote work and virtual meetings, having a monitor that can adapt to different viewing angles is essential. Ultra-slim monitors often come with ergonomic features that allow users to adjust the height, tilt, and swivel of the display, providing optimal comfort for extended periods of use. This not only reduces strain on the neck and eyes but also promotes better posture, enhancing overall productivity and well-being. The slim and sleek design of these monitors further adds to their ergonomic appeal, as they seamlessly blend into any workspace without compromising on style. Aesthetically, ultra-slim monitors are a feast for the eyes. Their sleek and modern designs enhance the overall aesthetics of any workspace, adding a touch of elegance. Minimalistic bezels and slim profiles create a seamless and immersive visual experience, drawing the user's attention to the content displayed on the screen rather than the monitor itself. Whether placed in a professional office or a home workspace, these monitors contribute to a clean and stylish environment, reflecting the user's personal taste and attention to detail. The increasing demand for ultra-slim monitors has driven manufacturers to innovate and introduce new features to cater to the needs of consumers. Some models now come with built-in speakers, eliminating the need for additional audio equipment. Others boast curved displays that enhance the viewing experience by mimicking the natural curve of the eyes. Furthermore, technologies such as IPS and PLA knee switching panels ensure wide viewing angles and consistent colors, allowing for a comfortable and accurate viewing experience from any angle. As technology advances, ultra-slim monitors are becoming increasingly popular. These monitors combine style and functionality to enhance our digital experiences. With their sleek and slim design, the save space and create a more visually appealing workspace. Their portability allows for easy transportation, making them ideal for professionals on the go. Despite their slim form factor, they offer high-resolution displays that deliver crisp and vibrant visuals. This makes them perfect for tasks such as photo editing and graphic design. Additionally, their wide array of connectivity options ensures seamless integration with various devices. These monitors also prioritize user comfort with adjustable ergonomic features. Aesthetically, they add elegance to any workspace and reflect persona. Taste. Manufacturers continue to introduce new features, such as built-in speakers and curved displays. With their versatility, ultra-slim monitors are a game-changer in the digital world, offering style and functionality for various needs. Ultra-slim monitors are revolutionizing the way we interact with digital content. With their sleek and slim design, these monitors not only save space but also create a more visually appealing workspace. Whether you're working in a small office or a crowded environment, these monitors fit seamlessly into any setup, providing a clutter-free and organized workspace. Portability is another key advantage of ultra-slim monitors. Their lightweight construction makes them easy to carry around, perfect for professionals who are constantly on the move. Whether you need to give presentations or work remotely, these monitors allow you to set up your workspace anywhere. Multi-monitor setups are also made easier with their thin profiles, providing users with the option to increase their screen real estate without compromising on style. One of the standout features of ultra-slim monitors is their display quality. Despite their slim form factor, these monitors often boast high-resolution displays that deliver sharp and vibrant visuals. Whether you're watching movies, editing photos, or browsing the web, the clarity and color accuracy of these monitors make for an immersive viewing experience. This makes them a favorite among professionals in fields such as graphic design and photography where color accuracy is crucial. Connectivity is another area where ultra-slim monitors excel. Equipped with a wide range of ports, these monitors offer seamless connectivity to various devices. From laptops and gaming consoles to USB devices, these monitors provide the flexibility to connect to multiple devices simultaneously. This ensures that users can fully utilize the capabilities of their monitors, creating a truly integrated and convenient computing experience. In today's digital age, having a monitor that can adapt to different viewing angles is essential. Ultra-slim monitors often come with ergonomic features that allow users to adjust the height, tilt, and swivel of the display, providing optimal comfort during extended periods of use. This not only reduces strain on the neck and eyes but also promotes better